right now, this one going out to Stamford, Connecticut. You see it. Client one of the 203 on the 8th tooth. Rose cut fangs, snowflake, everything else. Then the state on the 8th tooth over here, man. The evolution of Grillz, man. It's a good thing because my clients pay close attention to everything that we're throwing out there. Excuse me. So when they see stuff that we do, they're like, man, I want that, but with that, like that though. That's the dopest thing about Grillz, man. So this one, once again, this Connecticut state on the 8th tooth. It's just crazy. That snowflake makes it look almost two-tone when you put it up against that polish. Full backs as usual, 10K stamped. Craziness, y'all. Craziness. So thank you, this client right here. I want to thank you for coming with this creative idea, making me look good. And this is basically just, I'm just the messenger, guys. I'm just delivering your message with these Grillz. Once again, full backs, tight fitting. And that's just crazy, right? So I want to send a special shout out to my guy right here, or my gal, whoever can't say for sure. I think it's a guy. One of my employees spoke to him on the phone. But yeah, that's him, looking clean as a whistle and official. If you're looking to get you one of something like this, about 600. Gold is at an all-time high right now, but we're doing the best we can. Seattle Go Grillz style. Get you one. The way it works, you purchase this on the line. Best way is to get it on the website so you get that best deal. And then after it comes through, we send you the mold kits. Then once you get those back to us, it's taking us about between 3 to 5 weeks. And have you ready. Shout out everybody on the gram, everybody on YouTube, everybody on Facebook, everybody everywhere. Have to rock it with Seattle Go Grillz, man. We sure appreciate you guys. You guys are really the truth. But yeah, hope y'all have a great week, man. Get with your boys and we'll get you in there. All right now, peace.